I exercise. I exercise. What is the subject? I. Subject. What is a subject? Pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Sometimes a subject is a name, like Rach, David, Lucy. What is the verb? Exercise. Verb. For example, go, eat, read, run, walk. What tense is this? Present simple tense. When do we use present simple tense? Now, past, future. Present simple tense. Now, past, and future. Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Many times. Here, I exercise. 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 I exercise many times. It is a habit. I exercised yesterday. I exercise today. I exercise tomorrow. Many times. They read books. What is the subject? They. What is the verb? Read. They read books. Books. They read books. You study English. You study English. What is the subject? You. What is the verb? Study. English. English. You study English yesterday. You study English today. You study English tomorrow. You study English. 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 Many times. It is a habit. I like apples. I like apples. What is the subject? I. What is the verb? Like. Apples. Apples. Here, I like apples. 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 I like apples yesterday. I like apples today. I like apples tomorrow. But it's not a habit. It is always true. Always true. I am Rach. I am Rach. What is the subject? I. What is the verb? Am. Rach. Here, I am Rach. 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 Always. So, is it a habit or always true? Always true. I am from Australia. What is the subject? I. What is the verb? Am. From Australia. I am 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 from Australia. Always. So, is it a habit or always true? Always true. We play tennis. We play tennis. What is the subject? We. We. What is the verb? Play. Tennis. Here, we play tennis. 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 Many times. Many times. We played tennis yesterday. We play tennis today. We play tennis tomorrow. So, we play tennis. Is it a habit or always true? A habit. Well done. So, when do we use the present simple tense? For habits and always true. Well done. Now, do the worksheet. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. See you next time. Bye! If you would like to study English with me, you can join my online English program. If you join the program, you will get the worksheet for this lesson, the worksheet for every lesson, access to all of my English courses, conversation classes every Monday, daily feedback and support, and you can contact me anytime. If you would like to find out more information or join the program, please use the link in the description. Thank you so much and happy studying.